Hello and welcome to Mastering CentOS 7 Linux video series. So in this lesson we will be going to talk about in detail what is cloud computing. Instead, we will be looking into cloud computing services and its types. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is internet-based computing that provides the shared processing of resources and data to computers and other devices. So why companies are moving towards cloud? It's because of its centralized administration, automation, and reduced cost in terms of power and hardware. Furthermore, it provides you pay-as-you-go model. So if you are not utilizing the resources, it will not be charged. And the deployment of applications is much easier in cloud. So what are the cloud computing services? There are three types of fundamental cloud computing services. The first one is the infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service is the delivery of technology infrastructure as an on-demand scalable service. Infrastructure as a service provides access to fundamental resources such as physical machine, virtual machines, and virtual storage, etc. This service model is mostly used in private cloud, for example in AT&T or some other organizations. The next is the software as a service. It enables you to use software-based applications as a service, for example, Salesforce, Google Apps, Google Docs, and more. The third one is the platform as a service. It provides you the runtime environment for applications development and deployment tools. Platform as a service provides all the facilities required to support the complete lifecycle of building and delivering web applications and services entirely from the internet. As you can see in the diagram, if this infrastructure is on the premises, all the services have to be managed by you. However, in infrastructure as a service, the networking, storage, servers, and virtualization part is managed by the vendor, and the OS middleware, runtime, or data application is managed by you. In platform as a service, networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system will be managed by the vendor, and the data and application part will be managed by you. Similarly, in software as a service, all the things will be managed by the vendor, and from the end user perspective, it will be using that application. So that's an overall view of the cloud computing services. Now, what are the types of cloud computing? There are three types of cloud computing. The first one is the public cloud. The public cloud allows systems and services to be easily accessible to the general public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness. For example, Gmail is the perfect example of public cloud. Software as a service or private cloud. The private cloud allows systems and services to be accessible within an organization. It offers increased security because of its private nature, such as AT&T. The third one is the hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is the mixture of public and private cloud. However, the critical activities are performed using private cloud, while the non-critical activities are performed using public cloud. So that's an overall view of cloud computing services.